Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to send Tether, that's USDT, from Kraken to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're switching exchanges for better rates or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Gemini. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for withdrawals, so double-check that before we start. Also, have your Gemini wallet address ready. That's crucial for the transfer. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Funding section. It's usually found in the wallet area, so look for the Tether, USDT option. Once you're there, select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Next, enter the amount of Tether you wish to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. Kraken might charge a small amount, so check that in advance to avoid surprises. Now, paste in your Gemini wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, review the details of your withdrawal. You'll see a confirmation screen with the amount, destination, and fees. If everything looks good, hit confirm. Kraken will process the transaction, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's sent, jump over to your Gemini account. Go to your wallet section and refresh it. You should see the Tether arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Blockchain transfers can vary, but you can check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if it's on Ethereum. And there you have it. You're all set. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your devices safe. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.